Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can save PowerPoint presentation as a video. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my PowerPoint presentation on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can save it as a video. If you want to save it as video, you just need to go to the record menu. But before I save my video, I'm going to show you how the PowerPoint looks like. Okay, this is how my PowerPoint looks like, and then I'm going to save it as a video. We can go to the record menu and then select export to video, and we can click on create a video and choose the resolution. I'm gonna go with this one, and we can simply click on create a video. Okay, then you can name your video, and I'm just going to leave it like that and click on save. Okay, and now the video is the PowerPoint presentation is being exported as video. You can monitor the process right here. And after the exporting process has been completed, you can go to your File Explorer. And then I'm going to show you the result. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save PowerPoint presentation as a video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!